Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Harshmendra going to conduct the .NET Workloads on AWS Lambda Lab series. So in this series, we will develop the AWS Lambda in the .NET as per the instruction. So in my previous videos, part 1, part 2, and part 3, we had gone through with the overview and also set up the environment as per the instruction. So now in today's video, we will perform the task 2 and follow the instruction as per these steps. So I hope you will enjoy my video. So don't forget to like my channel, share it and subscribe it. The tools are installed and also we have created the .NET Builder. Now let's come to task 2, which is the first task. We will create a new ASP.NET application and deploy in AWS. So in the terminal, we will go towards the environment where our tools and configuration has been done. CLS is not working. I will use clear. Yeah, it's working for clear. Okay. We can allow it. Okay. As you can see, we are inside this environment folder. Now we will use this command for creating the .NET application. So let's read this command. .NET new serverless.asp.NET Core web app, like we are creating that web app, and that is the name is there. So this is the application and this is the actual name. We can change the name also according to our need. So as you can see, the template has been created. Here you can see the folder. And inside the folder, you will get the whole ASP.NET Core Web API project. Like startup file is there, serverless SAM template has been built, which gives the whole information. We will go step by step. So we have created the template. So now we will do the minor task. We will change the index.cshtml. So in the file structure, we will open this file. So always use search if possible. That will be more easier. It's working or not. Let me check. Yeah, it's working. So if you are using the search, it will be easier. Like in the major project, there will be so many files. It will be hard to find each and everything. So here we need to do some changes. We'll change the following code. So let's review the first code, what the code is being given. Here there is one public class index model. It's coming from the page model. Here we have pages. Index model is there. And there is one void function on get. And what changes we need to do, let me go through it. So here inside this model, index model, we will create these two fields, architecture and .NET version. So let me copy paste this code and paste it here. And inside this, we will use those statements. It will display the architecture and .NET version. Like this function, what it is doing, Here, the system runtime architecture information will be displayed and .NET version will be there. So this is the overall change which they have mentioned. So you are supposed to get this as we need to save these changes. Now we will do some changes in the HTML file. As we have done the file changes here, let me go to another file, HTML file. So this is the overall, you can say, view part. Usually the application follows the MVC, that is model, view, and controller. So inside the pages, we get the view part, and we have the we will create model whatever it is required. So here we are using not proper MVC, but we are using the serverless architecture. Lambda will be responsible, which will create the function, and this will be entry point of the application like startup file. So the startup.cs file, and this application we will be using. The whole configuration has been done regarding routing, authentication, authorization, and the services which are using in this application. Okay, so here we need to do some changes in index.html. That is the main part here. Let me do here h2 tag is given and some path is also given. What changes they have told? Let me tag not replace h2 tag. Okay, we do not replace. From that tag, change the code from line number 1 to 5. Okay. We have this view title home page. It is directing towards the home page. Okay. Model index is the page model index. I will delete this and paste it here. Okay. So here we will be displayed the H2. That application is using this .NET version, and this is the model architecture. Like here only we have done the changes. Like for the model, so data will taken from the model and it will display in the front end part. So here .NET version and the model architecture. Those two things will be coming from these fields which we had declared here. Now already we have done. These are the some expected. Now we will make some changes in template file. So let's go to the serverless template, which we are using for the deployment purpose. Okay, so this is the AWS serverless template. Usually in this template, we will get like it in which environment we are using. You can find the Name of the function, which Lambda function is there, how much timeout will be there, memory size, which is most important. Roles, role is null, otherwise role is also there. Then policies, like for every user, there is a different level of access. Developer will get full access. Support role will be there. It will get some limited access. For tester, it will be other access. Environment, which we are using, development prod set. Then we are using the reference, which it is there. Path, method. Method can be